Welcome to Super Kalam. I am your teacher Arpita Sharma. I hope that you all are revising, you all are completing your targets. Before we start this session, I have a very important thing to talk about. So, basically, whenever I ask you, I hope that you are following your targets. I expect this. So, I'm going to create a chart so that you can understand what we as teachers expect from all of you, even if you're preparing for 2025 or 2026 or 2027. These classes are helpful for all these three attempts. Okay, because I am keeping in mind that you are preparing the current affairs के perspective से, तो all our classes are very important. Secondly, I expect that you do not just watch the class and make the notes or take screenshots of the notes or download the notes, but you also revise them. And I expect that you are having your own daily targets. You are not abruptly opening up YouTube and start your day with YouTube videos and start to study. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है, right? I'm expecting that you have set your daily targets a night before the day, and before the day that you are going to embark upon, and you follow those daily targets. And if you are stuck on any concept or you are covering the current affairs, for that you use YouTube, or you for any sort of doubt resolution or MCQ practice you use Super Kalam. But you are having your targets in place. ये expectation मेरा रहता है. Secondly, after completing each and every topic, you practice MCQs. This is my second expectation from all of you. You go to Super Kalam, you practice MCQs on the topic that you have completed or you have understood. The third expectation that I have from all of you is you are also not neglecting the previous year questions. And the fourth expectation that I have from you is that you have joined a Telegram community where every day NCRT based short tests are conducted of 10 minutes. Why? So that your NCRTs are covered through very nice questions. वैसे तो यूजुअली हम लोग एनसीईआरटीज कवर करते नहीं है ना, बचते हैं, लास्ट मोमेंट का वेट करते हैं. बट दीज शॉर्ट टेस्ट ऑफ 10 minutes on a Telegram community is basically boost your preparation, makes you understand how UPSC looks at NCERTs. So I expect that all of you आर फॉलोइंग दिस. आप लोग सब ये फॉलो कर रहे हो. ठीक है, चलो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड एवरीवन. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू कवर geographical indication tags, the most important and recent tags which were in news. वैसे तो every month we renew these classes, we revise these classes. Why? Because new tags are added. But this is a very important topic. From prelims perspective alone you can expect 4 to 8 marks. यहीं से आप अकेले expect कर सकते हो, right? So that is why this topic becomes really important. Now when we talk about geographical indication tag, a tag is given to someone. Why? So that identity of that particular person or that particular object can be established. Similarly, if a particular product is getting a tag, and that too the geographical indication tag, that means it is indicating that this product belongs to this place. This also enhances the reputation of the place. For example, Warangal Chapata chili. Right now, this particular spice has received the geographical indication tag and it belongs to Telangana. राइट. अब आप ये देखो कि तेलंगाना की भी का नाम फिर से रिवाइव हो गया, लाइक राइट, लोगों के नजरों में, लोगों के दिल में इस टैग के मिलने के बाद. एंड सेकेंडली अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट इज दैट व्हेन एवर अ टैग इज गिवन, दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस बिकम्स फेमस ऑल्सो, राइट. And also the cultural identity of that particular object, it gets safeguarded, it gets protected. That is the agenda, that is the aim, so that nobody else can copy or imitate that product. Okay, so GI is basically a sign which is used on products which indicates or specifies geographical origin of that particular product. उसकी क्वालिटीज, उसके अलग से एक रेपुटेशन होती है उसका ओरिजिन से रिलेटेड, वो समझ आता है जीआई टैग से. And once a registered GI tag is given to a product, then it remains valid for 10 years. So this is also important. That means after 10 years it has to be renewed. 10 साल के बाद फिर से रिन्यू किया जाएगा उसको. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पर ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, द वारंगल चपाता चिली. It is Telangana's 18th GI tagged product and third agricultural GI tagged product. The first one is the Banaganapalli mango and second is the Tandoor red gram. Okay, it is less spicy, but because it is very extremely red in color, very bright red in color, that is why it is very very famous. But ज़्यादा spicy नहीं होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा मिर्ची नहीं लगती है इसको खा के. ठीक है. Now coming on to the next important GI tag. वैसे by the way, this is also important. Whenever GI tag is in news, you need to remember that first GI tag in India was awarded to the Darjeeling tea in 2004 to 2005. So this is an important prelims related fact that you must remember. Now the another important tag is the Kanadipaya bamboo mat. दिस इज द मैट। बेसिकली इट इज अ मिरर मैट, हैंड वुवन रहता है और रीड बम्बू से ये मैट बनाया गया है। काफी सॉफ्ट होता है, इसके जो इंट्रिकेट लेयर्स है ना, ये चीज ये काफी सॉफ्ट होती है। ठीक है, इट इज अ ट्रेडिशनल handcrafted mat and it is from Kerala. There are different tribal communities which are engaged in preparing this mat. For example, the Idukki, Thirusar, Ernakulam, Palakkad district की जो communities हैं from these districts, they are very well known to make this kind of bamboo mat. तो इसके इनर लेयर्स काफी सॉफ्ट रहते हैं। एक स्पेसिफिक टाइप ऑफ बम्बू है, दैट इज द रीड बम्बू। सो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर रीड बम्बू। देखो मैं स्टार बना रही हूँ। अगर प्रीलिम्स में क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड ऑन रीड बम्बू, डू नॉट से दैट वी डिड नॉट स्टडी इट, आई एम मेकिंग यू अंडरस्टैंड। ओके, सो गर्मियों में आप देखोगे तो इससे काफी वार्म, सर्दियों में काफी वार्मथ मिलता है। एंड इवन इट हैज कूलिंग इफेक्ट्स इन समर बिकॉज ऑफ द काइंड ऑफ बम्बू विच इज यूज्ड इन प्रिपेयरिंग दिस मैट। दैट इज वाई इट इज यूनिक। कोई यूनिक चीज को ही तो टैग मिलेगा ना जीआई का। ओके, the next is Uttarakhand red rice, which is very famously known as the Gadwali red rice. Red means lal, rice means chawal. And Uttarakhand has become the first state in the country to get maximum GI tax in one single day. Single day. तो ये लाल चावल ना नॉन बासमती वेराइटी का पाया जाता है, बासमती वेराइटी का नहीं है। एंड इट इज फाइबरस, बहुत मिनरल्स है इसमें, एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स, इट इज हाई इन एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स आल्सो। एंड इट इज ग्रोन इन हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड रीजन, हाई टेम्परेचर, हाई जो ऑल्टीट्यूड वाले रीजन होते हैं वहां पर पाया जाता है, हाई डेप्थ वाले रीजन में पाया जाता है। नाउ अनदर important aspect about it is that vitamin B1 and vitamin E both are there in this red rice. So health purpose से it is very very unique. Okay, then we have the Koraput Kala Jeera rice. Always remember these rice varieties, whenever they are in news they become important. But the Koraput Kala Jeera rice is known as the prince of rice. That is why it is unique. Why? Because it has a unique black color. It has, and it is very aromatic rice, काफी खुशबू आती है इससे। and it is found in Odisha's Koraput district. That is why it is known as the Koraput Kala Jeera rice. तो ये आप बेसिकली दिस राइस, अगर इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द हेल्थ पर्पस ऑफ दिस राइस, इट इम्प्रूव्स मेमोरी, इट कंट्रोल्स डायबिटीज। एंड ओडिशा में इट इज फाउंड इन कोरापुट डिस्ट्रिक्ट, तोला डिस्ट्रिक्ट, पात्रापुट डिस्ट्रिक्ट, मोहली एरियाज, बालीगुडा डिस्ट्रिक्ट एक्सेट्रा। ओके, देन वी हैव द बनारस ठंडाई। ये तो बहुत ईजी है। हेयर देखो, यू डोंट हैव टू रिमेंबर द इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर्स, यू जस्ट हैव टू रिमेंबर विच प्लेस or which state do they belong to. So this GI tag to Banaras Thandai was given in 2024. काफी टेस्टी, आप जानते ही हो, एक मलाइयो बहुत फेमस है बनारस में, एक टमाटर चाट और एक बनारस की ठंडाई। इट इज मेड फ्रॉम द मिल्क, नट्स, सीड्स एंड स्पाइसेस एटसेट्रा। Then we have the Kasti coriander. Do you know what is Kasti? Kasti is found in Maharashtra. It is the location in Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra. So this coriander, Kasti coriander, this tag was given to it in 2023. तो इसको तो कोरिएंडर ऑयल सीड जो है ना उसके लिए भी बहुत फेमस है ये जगह। कस्ती कोरिएंडर प्रोडक्शन के लिए बहुत फेमस है। एक अलग ही खुशबू, अलग ही टेस्ट है इसका, इस कोरिएंडर का। So these are the important GI tags which were in news in the last 1.5 years that you must remember. ये prelims के लिए prepare करना तो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। Okay, so this was your class for today. I hope that you are following this, which I expect as a teacher from you. Daily target, practice of MCQs, PYQs and Telegram channel आपने follow किया है, so that you can get the NCERT based mini test for free, the notes, etc. Thank you so much everyone.